Hey everybody, this is Joe. I'm showing you footage of that was a tornado that took place here back on Tuesday the 12th of June around 9:30 p.m. It was an F2 tornado here in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania along Mundy Street, and these are some of the businesses that got hit. Hit really fast. And as you can see down below there's U-Haul, and coming up over here is the back end of Kurlanchik's Furniture, and we're coming up over Ashley Furniture, and there's a lot of destruction. It's amazing how the weather really could sit there and just really, Mother Nature really could really hit hard, and the destruction, there's nothing like it. It's unbelievable. I don't know how it is for all you down there in Tornado Alley down there in the United States, Midwest and everything, but it's something. I can't believe what you people go through. And this was only an F2. And I guess the scale is F1 to F5, F5 being the most powerful. Now that's somebody's livelihood going down the tubes. This was Ashley Furniture, like I said. So, just want to show you this destruction. You know, like around 9:30. Now, if this happened around 8:30, there would have been some deaths. Fortunately, there was no deaths. A couple of injuries, about 6, 7 people I heard treated and released. But if this was during the busy time, and this happened at 9:30 after stores closed and everything, but if this happened around 8:30 or even earlier, there would have been some mass deaths. And thank God there wasn't any. I'm flying here with my Phantom 4 Pro and going over the disaster area. And over here we're seeing Panera Bread and some jewelry stores and everything in that strip mall. And over here we're going to come up to Barnes & Noble. They got hit on the tail end, as you see. And here on Monday, they're already starting to put the metal framing up for the walls. Get things back in business, get people back employed. And like I said, this is in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, along Mundy Street and the Arena Hub. It's a very busy area. PetSmart there got their windows blown out. National Disaster Relief is down here. And we're coming up here on Dick's Sporting Goods. Right there along the path where the destruction is, it went right above, right over 81, Interstate 81, and that's Dick's. And they're getting back to putting things back together. And here comes another shot of Barnes & Noble going down the pathway of where the F2 tornado. This is the back side of the Panera Bread and that little strip mall, and the path of the destruction. And there's Ashley Furniture again. Several other businesses connected into the complex. And that got really hit hard. Not sure if they're going to rebuild or what they're doing. This is old Kurlanchik's Furniture. They've been around for a long time. I think they're done. peeled that back like a tin can. Yep, this is really interesting. First time, we don't get a lot of tornadoes here or anything whatsoever. This is not really a tornado area. We got a lot of mountains and everything up here in northeastern Pennsylvania. And that's U-Haul. U-Haul got totally devastated and ripped up. Well, I wanted to show you this, and I want to thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions or anything, let me know. This is the tornado aftermath here on June 12th, around 9:30 p.m. You know, the funny thing was that at this time on AMC, I was watching I hadn't seen in a while, the movie Twister. And here it was. There was a twister going on down there in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Not Scranton, I'm sorry. Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. And I live 25 miles north of Wilkes-Barre, off of 81. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give a like. Any questions or anything, let me know. Thank you.